guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I am vlogging after many days, and these are the rangolis which were done in front of my neighborhood. And I had nothing to do for the whole day, so I went to IKEA for some shopping, like some bit new things if I could get over there to take in hand. So I thought uh, to take you all so that you can also see how the IKEA of Hyderabad, the first IKEA store, looks like.
ये धोने का है क्या? नो आइडिया. स्नैक वैट बाय 2 get 1 free.
I think the best thing about IKEA is that they give you a very good idea how to utilize a small space if you're having, or how to make it more functional with their very advanced furnitures and other things. So yeah, I love all those things. See, you can see here so how they have decorated, so you can get a complete idea from IKEA which they give, and also you can purchase the entire thing if you want, and if you have a budget, you can go for it.
मिडिल में बहुत टेस्टी है. सिर्फ यही लेना था. ये देखता ना, ये नहीं लेती, सिर्फ ये अकेली. So after eating rather than shopping, I managed to get myself few things which are needed from IKEA. And while going back home, I packed some dosa from this normal food trucks over there. So this was a very small vlog from my side. I know I am not vlogging, but I promise I'll be vlogging back again properly, and I hope you guys like this, and please do support, subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you on next video. Bye.